to keep in the spirit of selection tips here at Photoshop Killer Tips this week, I've got another selection tip, which is, let's say you're using the polygonal lasso tool or the magnetic lasso tool. So let's take the polygonal tool here. It's really said polygonal, but it just doesn't sound right. Unless you're from Utah, then it does, but sorry. Anyway, I digress. So we're using the polygonal lasso tool, and we're going to select very straight edge kind of things here. So bam, bam. It helps if you say bam when you're making selections. I find bam, 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 and bam. All right, so now what happens here? By the way, I'm using the space bar. Once I reach a point when I'm outside of where I can make my selections, I use the space bar to move the photo around. All right, so now I'm over here. So obviously this isn't a straight edge shape. What you can do is if you hold down the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on the PC, you press that down and then you click and you can start adding your own selection with the lasso tool. Okay, so it takes it out of polygonal mode or even magnetic mode if that's what you're using, and it takes it into regular lasso mode. So it's a little bit different though. Here's the trick. When I press Option or Alt, nothing happens. Look at my cursor. I'm still in polygonal lasso mode. All right, it's not until you click that you start to see the lasso tool come into play here. So don't think you're doing something wrong if you press it and you don't see anything change, because I do get that a lot. If you press it, you don't see anything change. Once you click, you'll start to see the tool change, and now you can come here and just draw a free form selection.